leaving Daytona Beach, headed for Melbourne. We spent 2 evenings here. Yeah, it was a good time to say the least. I didn't get much footage while we were here. We didn't do much riding. We did a whole lot of good time having. So a lot of good times, but just this trip has just been absolutely amazing. I'm so stoked to have been able to experience this with my brothers that I ride with, you know, and it ain't over. So Melbourne tonight and then Key West on Tuesday. Just wanted to check in. Man, there's been so many bikes on here. It's my first ever bike week. Absolutely fucking insanity. Just between the amount of bikes, the fucking parties.
Go this way.
JD!
Gotta go that way.
Nope. Alright. Yeah, so it's just been absolute insanity between the amount of bikes. And the amount of partying, the amount of strippers. I mean, it's just absolutely insane. I would probably kill myself if I lived down here. So, it's, long story short, it's a good time. So, rolling out with the boys here today. Super stoked to continue this vacation. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sad we're leaving Daytona, man. I haven't partied this fucking hard. I haven't partied this hard in a long motherfucking ever in my life, really. Goddamn. I mean, I don't remember the last time I stayed up till 1 in the morning or 4 in the morning drinking. You know, it's just funny. A good time, definitely hungover right now, and making our way to Melbourne. Take a right.
We gotta go back over and get out.
Well, here we are. Stayed at JD's uncle Mike's house. He let us stay here for the evening here in Melbourne, leaving Daytona. So super pumped to be headed down to Key West right now. Got the bikes all loaded up. Dan is not riding. He tapped out. He's gonna go get a rental car or something. I'm not sure what Dan's doing, but he is not riding down with us. So it's just gonna be me, Austin, and JD headed down to Key West on the bike. So see you guys on the road. So here we are. Shit, I forget where we're at in Florida, but these two gentlemen in front of us we just met at a gas station. Turns out they live about an hour away from us in Ohio. We met them in a random gas station here in Florida. We get to talking at the gas station and we're like, fuck it, we're all going to Key West. They're going to Key West too, so we're going to roll with these guys. And it's just so cool. You know, this is the second or third time we've met bikers at a gas station and just hit it off right away. And then, you know, next thing you know, we're riding together. So it's super cool, super awesome experience to just be meeting all these people from, you know, all over and even from your own state, you know. So I just think it's super cool. I just wanted to share these things with you guys. I know you'll see it, or it's earlier in the video, but we met a couple guys from Georgia and Tennessee on the way down to Daytona, rode with them. Super cool cats, partied with them the whole time. You know, and then ran into these two cool dudes, like I said, from about an hour away from us in Ohio, where they live. So it is just the experience, some of the cool experiences you get while riding motorcycles and doing these type of trips, man. It's you really can't put words to it. I mean, it's so cool to be meeting all these different like-minded people and just hitting it off, having a love for a two-wheel life, it just, you can't put words to it. I mean, these are memories that, you know, we'll never forget. You know, these are the stories that I'm going to be telling when I'm a 60-year-old man, right? So, you know, just wanted to share that with you guys and give you a little update as to how we're going. We're about 2 hours away from Miami. We're going to avoid Miami now. We're getting off the 95 here and following these cats. They said they got an alternate route. It's about an extra half an hour, but they said it's some nice Florida roads, and we'll be able to stay out of the heart of Miami, which will be good. Stay out of traffic. We absolutely got killed in Atlanta on the way down with all of the traffic, the bumper to bumper. We said, fuck it. We're fucking hitting the shoulder. I don't give a fuck if we get a ticket. It was that fucking bad. So, trying to avoid that today. I'd like to just stay on the road, keep the wheels rolling, all that good stuff. So, yeah, I just wanted to check in, let y'all know what's going on here, you know, just show my gratitude for this life, this lifestyle of being on two wheels. You know, it never ceases to amaze me. No matter where we're at, we could be all the way in fucking Florida, 1,200 miles from our goddamn house, and here we are meeting up with some cats that are from the same state as us, down here on their Harleys, enjoying this weather, enjoying the ride. So, you know, it's just so cool, such a great experience, and man, I'm just so excited and so happy, and I feel so blessed to be on this trip and be able to share some of these memories with you guys on YouTube. So, I'm gonna hop off here, go crush some miles. We've got a few hundred miles till Miami, like I said. Probably 180, I'd imagine. So I'll get with y'all later down the road, and thanks for chiming in, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks. Well, we're out here, Florida. Shit, where the fuck are we even at? 997, headed to Key West. I'm sorry, it's probably really windy. We are absolutely fucking crushing these miles. I mean, absolutely crushing them. I feel great. My butt's a little sore, but you know what? I'm not at fucking work right now, so I don't even give a fuck. JD's bike's looking good. Telling me to slow down. I'm getting a little throttle happy. I think we all are. We're having fun with these open Florida highways or state routes, whatever the fuck you want to call them. So, yeah, I just wanted to check in. Feeling good. We left Melbourne at 8 a.m. It's currently almost noon, so done about 4 hours on the road. About 3 left. 3.5 left. So we are just absolutely crushing these miles. Another 150 to go. Yeah, catch you guys later.
If you could, would you share with the neighbor? Yeah, I really wanna date her, but I swear my feelings come late, harder later. My heart to deliver a cater, but I bounce on my bed like a saber. Run out money coming from the labor, but I know that I was made for something greater. My emotion blow up with the vapor. You can't tell me I'm no lady slayer. Now I'm not gonna say I'm a player. The last thing that I wanna do is go player. I'ma look like a tot, I'm no tater. If you think that I'm weak, you a hater. Used to donate my plasma, no laser. Lead the rebellion, blasting the traitors. And I'm playing too much like a gamer. If you think that I'm lame and you lamer, I'm tired of whipping the bangers. I just got on hanging with all of the singers. Losing my screws like I'm Kramer. Wanna make sure that I seen some papers. I'm sad cause I know I can't save her. Spoonful of struggle to cope like a chaser, yeah. But it all sounds the same. I'm tired of living behind selfish lies. I'll still be more than this, more than life. It blurs the line between what I want and what I can't. Lately by these fallacies. Embrace the blue sky with all these fake looking clouds. Break out of my shell, lose the fear of performing my shit for these crowds. Kinda scared to make people proud. What if I go and let them down in the search of my own sound? It's so hard because in working life I'm still a Padawan, but I keep it moving towards the path I'm on. When it comes to me, I seek the truth, peer through the curtain like a peeping Tom. And the very things I can control, lifting the gates, you're not telling me otherwise. Yelling, I fuck up the whole patrol. Stranger than I heart is cold, I'm like otherwise. And I pick up broken pieces, the parts of me that I dream. Collect all these dusty kisses from lips who made me believe I'm running out of emotion, so sew it back by the seams. It's hard to show what's been bugging, so I wrote what I'm feeling, yeah. But it all sounds the same. I'm tired of living behind selfish lies. Has to be more than this, more than life. It blurs the line between what I want and what I can.
I believe this is the 7 Mile Bridge. Looks like it. This is freaking awesome, man. Just some country boys from Ohio, all the way down here riding the 7 Mile Bridge. Just soaking this in. It don't get no better than this. Might as well go fast on it. Hey, I went 100 on the 7 Mile Bridge. So much fun. Wow, look at that. Could you imagine? Wow. Abso-freaking-lutely incredible. Look at this. It don't get no better than this right here. It doesn't get any freaking better than this. Wow. Look at that barge. What an amazing ride. I mean, come on, this is freaking awesome. This is just spectacular. So many motorcycles. I'm gonna run out of battery. This bridge is so long. This is so cool. This is so cool. Wow. Just absolutely wow. More and more bikes. Gotta love it. Look at that. There's a house there. Don't die. Don't fucking die. Don't go left to center and die. Wow. Absolutely stunning. That was everything I could have imagined it to be and more. I mean, that's just spectacular. So the best part about a road glide is it drives itself. Look at that. You don't even need to drive it. You just put on cruise control. Look. Look, Ma. No hands. I don't think I've touched my handlebars for a couple miles. Look, Ma. No hands. That's why you need a road glide. Yeah, you do that for about 5 seconds on your dyno. I'm going to go the rest of the way into Key West. Yeah, buddy. Who needs? You don't need to even drive these things. They drive themselves. Wow, look at this view. I'm just kicking it. No problem. I've got a road glide. No problem at all, baby. Well, coming over the bridge now. We made it. We made it to Key West. 1,572 miles. And we made it. We absolutely made it. This is awesome. Sorry. Saw a cop. I've been riding no hands for about 10, 15 miles. You gotta get a road glide. And you gotta get a road glide and ride that motherfucker to Key West, so. thanks for being a part of this trip down. I'll get a little more footage on the way back, but overall, this has pretty much been the wildest, best time of my life. I'm super happy you guys got to experience this with me, and I look forward to bringing it to YouTube, and hopefully some people like it. If not, well, fuck off. I don't care. I'm not a video editor. So, made it to Key West. About to pull into the hotel here in 1.2 miles. It's been amazing. Get out and do it. Get out and ride. Go places you've never been before. Go crush hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of miles. And with that being said, thank you again. What an amazing feeling this is. This is amazing. See you guys on the flip side. Peace out.